Welcome to Steven Hale Watch Restoration and Servicing, the UK's leading independent workshop for the servicing and restoration of luxury, modern and vintage Swiss-made watches. When Steven set up his business in 2005, he did it with the goal of building the best equipped workshop in the United Kingdom, staffed by a team of the most talented and dedicated international watchmakers in the industry. Our watchmakers are supported by a team of sales, admin and marketing staff, enabling our watchmakers to focus on what they love and do best, servicing and repairing luxury watches. This focus on excellence has seen turnover achieve in excess of £1 million. In 2015, as the business grew, we moved from central London to a purpose-built workshop and dedicated service centre in Bushey, just 20 minutes from central London. Here we have the space for our extensive range of specialist equipment necessary to provide the very best watch repair service in the United Kingdom. For the convenience of our central London customers and located in South Molton Street, in the heart of Mayfair, we maintain a reception centre which offers advice for the service, restoration and collection of watches. At Steven Hale, we only work on the restoration and repair of leading Swiss brands. Our watchmakers are accredited by marks such as Arnold & Son, Cartier, Hublot, Tag Heuer, Zenith and Rolex. In addition, we have been trained by Breitling, Patek Philippe and Omega. When customers entrust us with their valued timepieces, our secure booking-in process includes barcoding. This ensures that at every point we track and record on our system where the watch is and what work has been carried out. We build up a complete history of the watch as it passes through our care. Upon arrival, each watch is examined by Steven to determine the nature of the repair required to return it to the manufacturer's set standards. Our reputation has been built upon our expertise in the servicing and repair of specialist vintage watches. Now, a major part of our work includes the servicing of luxury, modern and classic watches. Over the years, we have collected an extensive range of rare and vintage parts which we can use in our restorations. In addition, where parts for watches are no longer available, we have the skills and equipment to manufacture them in-house. This includes new crystals, components and springs for watches and bracelets. Our equipment includes lathes, laser welders, EDM machines and electroplaters, plus a wide range of polishing machines designed to provide a variety of finishes. And indeed, whilst all our watchmakers are trained to polish watches, the volume of work we manage enables us to have a dedicated polishing specialist. If you have a broken part on your watch case, for instance a missing lug, we can design a replacement and manufacture it from scratch, all carried out on site by our expert watchmakers. If a part of the watch's mechanism needs replacing, but the part is not available, we will manufacture and fit it. If the body of the watch is pitted, we can laser weld the missing metal and then polish back to a near perfect condition. If you have a broken or scratched glass and an exact replacement is not available from stock or the manufacturer, we will make it and fit it for you. We are one of the very few workshops in the UK that can create bespoke crystal from scratch, even to the extent of making individual moulds for each glass. All our work is carried out in-house. If a case has a broken lug, we can repair it. A broken or scratched bracelet, we will refinish it. If your watch needs a service or is not keeping time correctly, we will service it and bring it back to within manufacturer's tolerances. Our waterproof testing equipment tests to manufacturer's recommended depths. At the completion of testing, each timepiece is returned to our customers in a bespoke case, constructed to ensure safe and secure transportation. All our service watches are returned with a 2-year guarantee. We provide a seamless, efficient, dedicated and professional service. Vintage or new, we can reservice and repair luxury watches to the highest standards. Steven Hale Watch Restoration, the destination for servicing and restoration of luxury, modern and vintage Swiss-made watches.